This is 2003 03 Chevy Tahoe 5.3 4x4. This is the problem when my Chevy Tahoe. Right now I can drive with no problem, but the AC is off. Okay, I want you to think about this. Everything is fine, the engine power is okay, but when you put it in drive and start driving, you have all the power with no problem. Look at this. With no problems. But when you start the AC on, I put in the AC on, AC on, automatic. Look at this. Look at that. You see? So you know how to change the throttle body, the pedal sensor. Before you spend the money to change that part, try to figure out what's going on here. I really don't know right now how to figure out what's going on. When I turn the AC on, that problem's coming. So if somebody knows something about it, let me know. Thank you. I hope this video helped somebody to find the problem, this kind of problem, because I check in YouTube videos and many people spend a lot of money to figure out what's going on here with this kind of problem. But now I find is when I turn on my AC, that happened. Thank you. Bye bye.